Hello, me old mates. How are you doing? Today, package, big box, come for the mic, the Old Man Things channel. You know, it's a great channel. It's growing very quickly, and he celebrated 500 subs and is growing. It's fantastic. His pub with a frog and toad pub is brilliant, you know. I wish I had a big shed like that, and his videos are always entertaining, and his when he laughs, you have to laugh with him. It's great, and we have a lot of common interests, you know, like redcoats or and frogs and toads and whatever, and ghost stories and all kinds of things. So we have a lot of contact. And very kindly he sent me this big box and unpacked. There's a lot of things and a bro note as well, and it's very kind, Mike, and I love everything here. So I'll share with our friends of YTPC, and the first one is this. It's a beautiful sweater, you know, but redcoats, you know. So if I need a quick redcoats, I'll wear this as well, you know. It's actually very quality, good quality, and also it has a hood, so a hoodie redcoat as well. So all the other things, I can't believe, Mike, you were so generous. I mean, of all this beautiful things, and here was a mystery thing, a photo or a painting, and I have to open it carefully, and everything was perfect. Delivery, you know, with the post, and you know, I love Sherlock Holmes. Look at that, it's beautiful. And Rathbone and Nigel Bruce is there. The Red Line pub, you know, where a lot of stories. The game is afoot. And actually it's a signed print as well, so I'll put it in a frame next to my alcove of Sherlock Holmes, and also listed the pipes that actually Rathbone and Nigel Bruce actually smoked. So, Mike, I bowled over to this lovely present, and I'll frame it very soon. Thank you. And there's a lot of things, you know, here. One tobacco, I don't have any of that. Doblone Dora Savinelli. It's a very good tobacco, and tobacco reviews, and I always thought I must get a tin, but I didn't. So thank you, Mike, you read my mind. And I'll enjoy that smoke in the pipe that you send me 2 pipes, estate pipes, beautiful. So the first one, and they're all in the box, original box with the sock, and I mounted this one in the pipe stand. And you can't believe this pipe stand. Look at that. Mike made it himself. A red coat and the TARDIS. It's really good. That's fantastic. And a lovely seat for the pipe. And this is one of the Vaughan pipes that Mike sent me, and as a filter smoker, it was perfect. You know, all the Vaughans are filtered, you know, so it's a beautiful thing. You know, I just love it. I just love it, and I'll use it every day. It's beautiful. Not only that, we have a lot of things like, you know, accessories like this pipe cleaners. Is always useful and good, and all kinds of secret things, you know, in pipe socks. It was like Christmas, you know, unpacking all these lovely things. Like, I love this bottle opener with a bottle of beer. And a spare one, I'll take it to the other place in South Switzerland. It's always good to have bottle opens. And here is a lovely cutter here, and a lot of other tools here. So that's always useful because I'm always fidgeting. Look at that. That's an interesting one. And a Nile file here. Or a screwdriver. Yeah. All kinds of tools here. And on the other side as well. I'll have to figure out what they're all for. That's a screwdriver and a lever, a cut, a blade, and something could get a stone of the horse, or was it? And here's the file over here. So it's a magical tool. Thank you, Mike. All very useful, and all kinds of other things, you know, comes here, and it's a luxury lighter. Can you believe it? It's beautiful. It's like a DuPont luxury lighter, and it was actually works immediately with fuel. That's absolutely totally beautiful. Mike, you're so generous with beautiful things like this. I mean, I can't believe it. And here, in this sock, 2 tampers. And this is this is a meerschaum tamper. I have not a meerschaum tamper like that, and a cigar tamper, which Mike made himself. That's fantastic. I look forward to using that as well. Oh, incredible. I can't almost count everything here. All kinds of things and books. And here we have two knockers, and I make sweet tins like little ashtrays, and I'll use that for that. It's perfect. And bit of history and archaeology. It's fascinating. Arrowheads, they're probably hundreds, even 1,000 years old. And this one is obsidian. It's like a volcanic glass, you know. You make it very, very sharp. And that's quite rare to see. Beautiful. And as I said, there were two pipes. This is the other one. And it's a beautiful one as well. Both sandblast, and I like very much sandblast. Look at that. It's a very good condition, you know, and I'll smoke both of them very soon. I put a new filter in, you know, it's fits the Chacom very well. And beautiful pipes, beautiful, like this one, just gorgeous. So I look forward to smoking them. And I can't believe all this stuff in this box. Thank you, Mike, and glad you got your box as well. And we're still exchanging stuff, so it's great fun. When I can't sleep and 4 o'clock or 2 o'clock, Mike is still up, 10 o'clock or 11 in America. So we exchanged comments about things, you know. It's a great friend, and I'm very grateful to find friends like Mike in YTBC. It's great. Thank you. And it's like my birthday was actually October 18, and birthday again. Thanks, my dear friend. So, my friends, I'm celebrating this box, this pipe, Vauen, and you see it, and it's a lovely pipe, and I'm smoking, of course, Savinelli Doblone d'Oro, and it's a fantastic tobacco. It's like Dunhill's Bullseyes, but better. Yeah, it was the Kentucky Burley is fantastic, made from McBaron, and I must say this is an excellent tobacco, and the best of the Savinelli series, even if it's not aromatic, but I think there's a touch of topping somewhere there, using Mike's luxury lighter here as well. One of Dracula's
Brides, Larry Blackett. The tin note of this tobacco is fantastic. I always like burley, there's a lot of smoke. It's really good. Really taste the perique, the spice, the sweet for the Virginia, and some kind of little casing is there to make it sweeter. Well, Mike, this is a super smoker. Oh, I forgot to actually my cigar from Mike. Looks like so much like a cigar. I forgot it was a tamper. So that's it for this video. The end phase of Halloween. I hope you had a really good Halloween and a lot of fun. Here they say not trick or treat, but sus or sour, which means sweet or sour, you know, but I put a ton of chocolate stuff on the front and said help yourself. Lieber sus, take it. And I'm using, of course, this fantastic stand with the soldier and TARDIS. It's beautiful, Mike. It's really fantastic. Thank you very much. And I'm have it topped of Skull Port from Germany. This one. We actually got it when we were on holiday in Germany and bought a lot of wine, and this port is very good. Here's and cheers. And I'm nice snug with this red coat in my cellar. It's really lovely quality. Thank you, Mike. And so have a good rest of the week, and enjoy that. My next video will be about Peterson. Yes, something's extraordinary. So take care of yourselves and have a good smoke, and enjoyed all the treats of Halloween. Cheers.